In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Solana network to Metamask. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and just open up Metamask just like so. So I already do have it in my extension manager, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on it, and then it is now going to open up our account. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be pressing on these three dots over here. Then what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and select on this option that does say expanded view, just to make the process a bit more easier to actually visualize. Alright guys, so now that you have this, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on these three dots once more, and then you want to go ahead and select on snaps. Then you will notice that our snaps are currently empty. So what we need to do is we need to press over here where it does say discover snaps, and then it is going to take us to a page that looks like this. And if you do have multiple extensions, then it may ask you something like this: which extension do you want to connect with? So just make sure to go ahead and select on MetaMask just like so. Then over here, you will now notice that we have the option that says Solana wallet. You guys could go ahead and find it over here, or you could go to the search bar and then just look up Solana wallet. However, either one will get the job done. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and select on Solana wallet. Then I'm going to go ahead and press on this option that does say add to MetaMask. And then it's going to give you like a little notice over here. So just make sure you accept all the terms and conditions and just press on accept. Then go ahead and press on connect one more time. It's going to ask you for confirmation, so go ahead and just press on confirm. Then go ahead and select on the option that does say install Solana wallet. And then there you go, Solana wallet is now on MetaMask. So the next thing we need to do is we need to go over here to Solflare. So let's go ahead and press on this link, and then it is going to take us to a page that looks something like this. From here, go ahead and select on the get started button right over here. And this is basically the platform that it is going to allow us to actually use Solana with MetaMask. So let's go ahead and press on this button that does say continue. Then go ahead and press on continue one more time, and then go ahead and press on continue one more time, and then press on continue. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and select on connect MetaMask, and then it is going to open up a tab that looks like this, and then it is going to give you a connection request. So go ahead and just press on connect, and now it will begin setting up your wallets, guys. And it's going to give you some notice, for example, bookmarking Solflare. So go ahead and bookmark it. I already did. It's something that I recommend you guys do. But anyways, guys, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on continue once you're done, and then it should say you're all set. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on enter Solana. However, there will be some security. So let's go ahead and press on next really quickly. And let's go ahead and press on continue. And then you should get something that looks like this. And basically from here, you guys are able to connect your Solana wallet address with like other, platforms that you do have. And from there, you actually are able to go ahead and trade using Solana. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.